how to change voice male to female in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to change voice from male to female. So after you open the CapCut, now here is my video. So let's say if you import your video like this one, the video and the voice are already in one place. So you need to extract the voice. So just right click on your voice on your video and then go to this extract audio. So from there it will give you your voice over like this one. So after it gives you your voice over like this, so from there it will give you your voice over like this one. So all you have to do now, just click on the voice you want to change. After you select the voice, then go to this where it says this voice changer. After you go to this voice changer, go to this voice character. So in this option you have two best female voice. The first one is JC and the second one is Bestie. So you can choose one of them. These are the best two female voice in the CapCut as of now. So if you choose any one of them, just play your video and hear the voice.
Number one
So you can choose this JC as well and play the video.
is Allah no.
So as you can see now, that is it guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps. Please like and subscribe if this video helps. Thanks for watching.